In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Payfast with Shopify. Whether you're setting up a new store or are looking to expand your payment options, adding Payfast can be a great way to enhance your business's capabilities, especially if you're aiming to reach a wider audience. Let's dive right into it and make this process smooth and straightforward. The first step to integrating Payfast with your Shopify store is installing the Payfast app. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the Payfast Shopify plugin page. This can easily be found through a quick search or by visiting the Shopify App Store directly. Once you're on the page for the Payfast app, you'll see a button labeled Add App. Clicking this will initiate the process. Now, Shopify is designed to be user-friendly, so after clicking Add App, you'll be prompted with a series of on-screen instructions to guide you through the installation. These prompts are there to ensure the app integrates seamlessly with your store, so be sure to follow them carefully. As you proceed, you'll likely encounter buttons to click for Continue or Authorize, depending on your store's settings and the specific requirements of the Payfast plugin. It's crucial to read each prompt thoroughly to ensure everything is correctly set up. After you've successfully installed the app on your Shopify store, you'll want to verify that everything is functioning as expected. You can do this by going to your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll see a list of the apps you've integrated with your store. Finding Payfast on this list confirms that the app has been added successfully. This is a good point to ensure Payfast is enabled and ready to process transactions. Having a payment gateway like Payfast is important, as it allows you to accept payments in multiple forms, be it credit cards, EFTs, or more localized payment options. This diversity can significantly increase your store's appeal to customers who might prefer different payment methods. Once everything is in place, it's crucial to test the integration. I recommend placing a test order on your store to see if the transaction processes smoothly using Payfast. You don't have to worry about actually carrying out the transaction, as Payfast offers a sandbox environment for testing purposes. This helps ensure that your customers will have a seamless and trouble-free experience when they choose to purchase from your store. With these steps complete, your Shopify store should now be equipped with Payfast, opening up your business to a broader spectrum of payment options and, subsequently, a more extensive clientele. That wraps up the integration process. Remember, providing your customers with a variety of payment options can go a long way in enhancing their shopping experience and boosting your sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.